Let us solve this equation. X power 2 to the power x plus 3 equals to 5. Let us solve it and see. So the first step will be something like 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 all be equals to 5. In fact, this is how the equation was before you just change to this. So it will also be 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 equals to 5. So to get this, divide both sides by 8. So this cancel out. What you have here will be 2 to the power x will be equals to 5 over 8. So empirically, there is no number that when 2 rises to give you 5 over 8. They are all in these ones. So what you do now, you now take the log of both sides. So what you have here now will be log of 2 to the power x, of course, is equals to log 5 over 8. Let us continue. By exploring the law of logarithm, this one will be x log 2, which will be equals to here log 5 minus log 8. We continue. Remember, our aim is to find the value of x. So you divide both sides by log 2. So x now equals to log 5 minus log 8 all over log 2. Now you continue. So x now will be equals to log 5. What's the value of log 5? You take the table. So log 5 will be 0.6990 minus log 8. Log 8 0.9031 all over log 2 0.3010. So x will be this, how this question will be solved. Once you get to this state, please don't be shy to use calculator. So you now subtract 0.699 minus 0.9031. The answer will be negative 2.041 all over 0.3010. So x now equals to, you now divide by 0.3010, and the answer will be 0.7 0.6781. And that is the final answer. Please, once you come to this stage, don't rush, just take it step by step and get the answer. Thank you for watching up to this extent. God bless you. Do me a favor by sharing this video. Bye.